Hello my dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel The Learning Vibe. So today in this video we are going to learn about the important lean tool which is known as Takt time. So my name is Shubham Jain and we are going to learn about Takt time in this video. So without wasting a single time, let us start the video. So in this video we are going to learn about what is meant by Takt time, how we have to calculate the Takt time, then what is meant by lead time, cycle time and Takt time and how they are different from each other. Then we are going to understand about how is Takt time used in industries, and at last we are going to study about different benefits and challenges of Takt times. So now let us first start the video by understanding what is meant by Takt time. So basically it is a very simple expression. It is a simple lean tool expression which represents available production time divided by the customer demand. So Takt time deals with two different aspects, two different criteria. First criteria is available production time. What available production time the factory is having and what is the customer demand. So available production time divided by customer demand is customer demand is nothing but the Takt time, and it helps in setting up the entire production process. So this is the basic meaning of Takt time. We are going to understand each and every component with proper examples and formula in our subsequent slides. So moving ahead. So, as per the Taichi Ono definition of Takt time, it is provided as Takt is the length of time in minutes and seconds it takes to make one piece of the product. So Takt is nothing but total time, total length of time, whether it should be in minutes or in seconds, which is required to make one piece of the product, obtained by dividing the operable time per day by the required number of per day, dividing by what are our operable time, what are our required time. So this is the simple definition of Takt time by Taichi Ono. As we know that Taichi Ono is referred as the father of Toyota production system, that is TPS system, and he has given this important definition of Takt. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा friends. So basically, Takt is a German word which simply means as a beat or pulse in music. If you will come to know about the English meaning of Takt, then it simply means beat, heartbeat, like heartbeat or pulse rate, in music. So Takt time is the rate at which you need to complete a product or service to satisfy the customer demand. Takt time is nothing but the rate, the particular speed at which you have to complete your product or service so that your customer will be satisfied with your work. By aligning the production rate to the customer demand, organization can provide overproduction, reduce inventory, and improve overall efficiency. So by proper combination or proper alignment of production rate as well as customer demand, we can help to avoid the overproduction in the factory. We can reduce the inventory cost as well as we can improve overall efficiency of the factory. In other words, Takt is the production rate and can easily categorize as the heartbeat of your work process. As I already mentioned in the earlier that it can be categorized as the heartbeat of your work process. What is the heartbeat? At what rate your heart is pumping? We have seen this common example. At what is our pulse rate? What is heart rate? In the same way, what is the production rate? What is the production status rate? Which is been denoted by the Takt time. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा friend Takt time का meaning. Now let us understand how we have to calculate the Takt time. So, as I already discussed, Takt time का formula क्या है? Takt time is equal to available production time per day divided by customer demand per day. It is the simple formula and simple meaning of Takt time. So let us move ahead and see how we can calculate. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, मैंने एक सिंपल एग्जांपल से इसे एक्सप्लेन किया है. जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, Takt टाइम इज इक्वल टू अवेलेबल प्रोडक्शन टाइम डिवाइड बाय कस्टमर डिमांड. तो अवेलेबल प्रोडक्शन टाइम क्या है? 480 minutes. If considering it is a one shift factory, so it is a 480 working minutes. We have to minus 30 minutes for break. So and we have to convert these minutes into seconds. So here this 30 minutes into this. So what we can have is to 27 seconds per shift. We have to convert these minutes into seconds. So available production time is 27,000 seconds per shift. And what is our customer requirement? 1174 1174 parts we have to produce per shift. It is our customer demand. So if we divide to 27,000 divided by 1174 parts, we will get 23 seconds. So what is the 23 seconds? A time-based measure of satisfying the customer need. A good product must be produced every 23 seconds to meet. So in every 23 seconds, one part should come out of the line. One piece should be manufactured within 23 seconds. If we are taking more than 23 seconds, then it will hamper the production rate. So this is simple meaning of takt time. Hope आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया होगा friend. Now let us first understand what is meant by lead time, cycle time and takt time. So basically lead time is nothing but the order confirmation time to order deliver time. Order confirmation से लेकर order deliver होने तक जो proper पूरा time लगता है एक order execute करने को, उसको lead time बोलते हैं. Cycle time is the time your team spend actively working on the customer order. एक particular customer order को actively काम करने के लिए, actively उसके ऊपर work करने के लिए जो time लगता है उसको cycle time बोलते हैं. And the takt time is the maximum amount of time you need to comply with to meet the customer demand. So, and takt time is nothing but the maximum amount of time that you need to comply, that you need to deal with. In that particular time only you have to come out of your production per piece so that we can meet the particular customer demand. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा तीनों का simple definition, what is lead time, what is cycle time and what is takt time. Now let us understand how this takt time can be used. So takt time is used in process design, in designing the process. Process design enables you to align takt time and operable takt time by changing the operable takt time of your process. So by proper idea of your takt time, you can calculate what is your operable takt time and you can accordingly design your process and accordingly set your process. Second is capacity planning. Capacity planning determines how much production capacity you need to meet customer demand. You can think it as a comparing statement. So of course, by analyzing the takt time, I can understand that I can come to know that to deal with my customer requirement, to cope up with my customer satisfaction, at what rate, at what pace I have to produce the things, and accordingly what will be my capacity. And the last is production scheduling. Production scheduling enables you to align takt time and operable takt time by changing the takt time of your process. This is the simple way in which we can understand or we can use takt time. Now let us understand what are the different benefits of takt time. Majorly it helps to reduce the waste as well as go for improving the productivity as well as the customer satisfaction, which is very important. Also it helps in better resource utilization, better predictability of the workflow, and majorly to cope up with our customer requirement, to satisfy our customer and fulfill their requirement. These are the simple and the most effective benefits of takt time application. And last is what are different challenges and solutions to this takt time lean tool. Challenges in implementing takt time is a variability in demand and unplanned downtime. Suppose if there are more variabilities there in the production, in the order, then it is very difficult to cope up with the takt time. And if, for example, if some an unplanned downtime has happened in the field, then it again become very difficult to cope up with the takt time process. Also, the proper solution to overcome this problem involves proper flexibility of staff, proper understanding, standardization of work, and to accommodate to deal with all these kind of fluctuations. So these are the challenges and solutions of takt time. Hope आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. So that's all my dear friend. आज के लिए इतना ही. होप आप लोगों को ये सिंपल लीड टूल समझ आया होगा. मैं आपको मिलूंगा मेरे नेक्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो में. Till then, like, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, The Learning Vibe. See you in my next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day. Thank you.